Today we're going to talk about the Kiowa. The Kiowa were nomadic buffalo hunters. That means that they moved from place to place following the herds of buffalo. The buffalo were their primary source for life. The buffalo gave them food, shelter, and clothing, among many other tools. Draw a picture of a Kiowa tribe here. Based on records and evidence, it seems that the Kiowa traveled farther than any other Texas tribe. There is evidence that they traveled all the way to Canada and all the way to Mexico, following buffalo herds. One interesting fact is that they called horses sacred dogs. Many other Indian tribes call horses this as well. Before Indians had horses, they used dogs to help them transport things back and forth. In this box, the third box on the Kiowa row, write these words here. Like many tribes, they lived in bands with a chief. Write that here in the political system box. This is a really tricky map because they were nomads and didn't stay in one place. This is the area where they were mostly when they came to Texas, but they didn't live there all year long. Just like the Quiltaquians and the Atakapan and the Karankawa, they moved around. So it wasn't like they just camped in this area. Sometimes they followed the tribes all the way up to Canada and sometimes all the way down to Mexico. But mostly when they came to Texas, this is as far down as they came. Make sure you shade this part on your map. The Kiowa were famous for their beadwork. This may look like it's just drawn on with a marker or it's just dyed material, but each of these designs is made with tiny, tiny little beads. So they not only traded food and buffalo skins, they also traded their beadwork. So you can put that here on the economic system box. Coming soon, the Apache and Comanche.